Welcome to day 2 of workout 4.2, and workout E is what we're doing today, and it's a missing number workout. So there's 2 challenges here. First challenge, missing digits. Solve the calculation in several different ways. So I've got a 2-digit number that when I divide it by 6, the answer is a single digit number, remainder 1. So go and have a go on your own, see how you get on. So if we want some help with this one, I'm thinking about a number that's got 2 digits. When I divide it by 6, I get 1 left over. Well, let's think. If I had 18 divided by 6, I know that that's 3 because it's in the 3 times table and the 6 times table. There's no remainder. 6 3s are 18. So if instead of having 18, I now had 19 divided by 6, then I'd be able to do 3 groups of 6 and 1 left over because I've got 1 more. So that would be one way to solve this. What if we did a smaller number in our 6 times table and then adjusted it to get a remainder of 1? What if we did a bigger number in our 6 times table and adjusted it? How many different ways can you find of solving that? Off you go. So if we're having a look at this one here now, we're practicing our formal written method for division here. So thinking about, I don't even know what I'm dividing by. So we're going to have lots of different possible ways. Let's just look at this 1 first. So I'm going to have something and I'm going to divide it into 700 and something T6. So we're going to have to play with different possibilities here. We're probably going to find some that don't work. So let's think. So I've got a number that when I divide it into 7, I get an answer, a number here. So therefore this can't be an 8 or a 9, can it? Because if I was dividing by 8 or 9, I wouldn't be getting a digit up here. Yeah, so that's something that the it can't be is quite helpful, isn't it? I also know, what else do I know? Well, I know that when I've done this last division here, I've got a single digit answer with no remainder. So that could have been, how many 3s in 6? Could have been 2. It could have been 6 into 6 goes once. I might have carried some over from this division, so there might have been a 16 there, mightn't there? If it was 16, then it could have been, if this was a 4, it would be 4 into 16 goes 4. If I had 2 left over, now there's no single digit division into 26 that would give me a single digit answer. 36, if I had remainder 3, then if I was dividing by 4, so this is where you're just going to do it with different trial and error. So let's try dividing by 4. Let's see if that works. So 4 into 7 goes once, remainder 3. So if I've got 30 something, does 4 go into it 3 times? No, it doesn't. So that can't carry on anymore. So let's try again. Try a different one. Yeah. So I know that it can't be 4. Let's see, try something else. So we're just going to try it. The fact that it doesn't work out, that informs your next decision. Yeah, I know it can't be a 5. How do I know it can't be a 5? Something to do with that one, I think. Yeah. You go and have a go. When you've solved that one, have a go at this one. Yeah, then your real final challenge is then to solve both of them together using the digits 1 to 8 once each. Well, if you've solved them both separately, that will help you solve them both together. Off you go.